Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today, Keller House will be presenting the assembly on the topic Sundarbans. Sundarbans is a mangrove area in the delta formed by the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers in the Bay of Bengal. It spans the area to the Belswar River in Bangladesh's division of Khulna.
The Sundarbans mangrove forest, one of the largest such forests in the world, lies on the delta of Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers in the Bay of Bengal. It is a World Heritage Site. The easiest way to reach this site is to take a train from Canning, which is nearly 48 kilometers away from the Sundarban National Park. By air, the nearest airport to Sundarban National Park is Netaji Subhash Chandra International Airport at Damdam, Kolkata, which is on an average 112 kilometers away from the national park. Sundarban mangrove forest is the single largest home of the Royal Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris. Sundarban is also the only mangrove forest in the world having the tiger as its indigenous population. Sundarbans also harbors a good number of rare and globally threatened animals, including estuarine crocodile, fishing cat, common otter, water monitor lizard, and gangetic dolphin. Other mammals comprise of wild boar, spotted deer, porcupines, king cobra, banded krait, etc. Sundarbans is famous for Golpata and Sundari trees. Sundarbans gets its name from its flora and fauna. The Sundari is the dominant mangrove tree species of Sundarbans of India and Bangladesh. Scientifically known as Heritiara forms, it is a species of mangrove in the family of Malvaceae. The Sundari tree can grow up to 60 feet in height with a girth of 6 feet. Mangrove have breathing roots because the soil in which mangroves grow are poor in oxygen and some parts of the roots is exposed to air to obtain oxygen. As you see on the screen, the roots grow in the mud banks. These plants grow in marshy areas which have clay soil. In clay soil, plants face deficiency of oxygen. Thus, to obtain oxygen, their roots grow upwards. Such roots that grow upwards are called breathing roots. The saltwater crocodile is the largest and heaviest living reptile in the world. This crocodile is found in Sundarbans. Basking in the sun, the saltwater crocodile is a study in stillness, but once it enters the brackish waters of Sundarbans, it is the top aquatic predator. Animals found in Sundarbans are tigers, leopards, rhinoceros, wild buffaloes, wild hogs, wild cats, barasingha, spotted deer, hog deer, barking deer, and monkeys. This is a fishing hawk and they are known to prey on fish from the river. This is a spotted deer. And these are people. They make their livelihood by collecting honey from the forest and travel on boats to and fro. Many people come to Sundarbans and come to visit this most magnificent place. The rivers of Sundarbans are affected by the phases of the moon. That is why there are extensive high tides and extensive low tides. The Bengal tigers, Panthera tigris, are unique to India and Bangladesh. They are usually found in the mangrove forest of India and Bangladesh, especially in the Gangetic Delta region of both of these countries. The tigers found in Sundarbans are not only happy living in the swampy lands, but they are expert swimmers. These tigers are expert swimmers. They are known to swim up to the boats and pull away people. Safety nets have been put up all over the forest areas to prevent such accidents from happening. The Sundarbans are the world's largest mangrove delta and the only mangrove tiger habitat in the world. Of the 96 tigers, 74 were captured via camera traps and identified as unique individuals in the Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Possibly, some have said Sundarban tigers learned to eat human flesh because it was brought to them like an offering from holy river Ganges. The tigers could have acquired their taste for us flesh from scavenging. Sajne Khali Bird Sanctuary or Sajne Khali Abhyaranya is a bird watcher's paradise and one of the three wildlife sanctuaries in Sundarbans. Located next to the Sundarbans Tiger Reserve, this sanctuary is known for its diverse bird population. Sajne Khali Watchtower is an ideal place to spot wildlife. Sajne-Khali Eco-Tourism Center, or more popularly known as the Sajne-Khali, is the heart of Sundarbans Tiger Reserve. It is also the head office of the forest. Sajne-Khali Watchtower in Sundarban, one of the best among all the watchtowers, get a chance to sight Royal Bengal tigers as well as other rare species of birds such as parrots, kingfishers, etc. This is Sajne Khali, and as you can see, it is a very beautiful place. We saw that there were many trees there, and we walked around and saw the area. There was a place, there were buildings to live, and there is also wonderful food to eat. There are trees all around us, and as you can see, it is surrounded by a wire mesh to protect the tourists from wild animals in the forest areas.
Sajne Khali Tourist Lodge.
The wire mesh on the left side has been put up to protect the tourists from the wild animals. It was time to now get back home, and now we are back in our boat. The boatman was a very friendly person, and the boat was very large and comfortable. He told us many stories about the river and the forest.
Tiger.
It was a lucky day. We saw both crocodiles and tiger. Now please join your hands for the prayer. Dear God, bless us in our school today. Help us grow in love and kindness more like Jesus every day. Amen. Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not lead us to the test, and deliver us from evil. Amen. Guardian Angel Prayer. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here, ever this day be at my side to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Lord, I come to you. Let my heart be changed, renewed, flowing from the grace that I found in you. And Lord, I've come to know the weaknesses I see in me will be stripped away. The thought for the day is everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy.